Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have a 5c minus c divided by c is equals to c, and we solve this problem for all the values of c. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these two methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And here in the first method, you see that the c is divided by left hand side, and we need to move this to the right hand side. And when we move this value to the right hand side, it will becomes the c is multiplied by the c becomes c square. And now here in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will becomes 5c minus c becomes here 4c is equals to c square. And further in the next step, here we move this 4c from left hand side to the right hand side, and it will becomes here c square minus 4c, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now here in the next step we need to take common c from here, and when we take common c we get the remaining values are. So when you take common c from here we get c only, and when we take common c from here we get 4 only, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write c equals to 0, and the second case is we write c minus 4 equals to 0. So this is the first root of the given equation, and from here we get the value of c is equals to plus 4. So this is the second root of the given equation. And further in the next step you see here we get there are two roots of the given equation, and now in the next step we need to verify that is these roots be the solution or is these roots be the extraneous root. So for verification of these roots we need to copy down given question statement here, and it is 5c minus c divided by c is equals to c. So in this side we will be verify c equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify c is equals to 4. So first we put c equals to 0 into the c equals to 0 on both of the sides of the above equation. So it will becomes 5 times of 0 minus 0 divided by 0 equals to 0. This is the substitution of the value of c, and now you see that 5 times 0 becomes 0, and this is 0 minus 0 over 0 equals to 0. And we know about that 0 minus 0 becomes 0 over 0 form equals to 0. So our left hand side becomes 0 over 0 form, or in other words we say that it is indeterminate form, or we call that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal, and if both of the sides are not equal, this concludes about that the value of c equals to 0 is not satisfied our given question statement. So we call that c equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root. And now we move towards the second root of the given equation. So here our second root is c equals to 4, and when we put c equals to 4 on both of the sides, it will becomes 5 times of 4 minus 4 divided by 4 is equals to 4. So we have 5 times 4 becomes 20 minus 4 divided by 4 is equals to 4. So 20 minus 4 becomes 16 divided by 4 is equals to 4. And we have 4 times 4 becomes 16. So we get here 4 equals to 4. This means that both of the sides are equal, and we conclude about that the value of c equals to 4 is satisfied our given question statement. And we finally conclude about that the solution set of this problem is c equals to 4. So this is the only one solution of the given equation which we get here in the first method. And now here in the next step we again solve this problem for second method. And for second method we need to copy down given question statement. Here it is 5c minus c divided by c is equals to c. This is our given question statement, and here we just use the quick method to find the roots of this equation. So here you see that this is 5c minus c, and when we subtract these two values, we will get here 4c divided by c is equals to c. And now you see here both of these two terms involve c, so this c and this c are cancelled out by each other, and we get here 4 equals to c. So this means that the value of c equals to 4. Here we get only one value of c equals to 4, but in the first method we already verified that this value of c is satisfied our given question statement. So we finally conclude about that the solution set of this problem is c equals to 4. So this is the only one solution of this problem which we get here in the second method, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.